Om Namaha Shivaya. Here was an extremely powerful Indian Ocean Gouri Puja Conch. This is the powerful Puja Conch in the world. It's a powerful Puja Conch in the world. So it's look beautiful and heavyweight. It's a powerful Puja Conch in the world. By having this conch in your home, all negative energy will be removed and will get huge success. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. By having this puja conch in your home, all negative energy in your place will be removed and your place will be highly protected with positive energy, and all obstacles you are facing will be removed and you will get huge success in your life. You can also do puja and abhishek with this conch. This both the conches will make your pujas extremely very powerful. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. This both the conches will make your pujas and prayer extremely powerful. Such a wonderful, extremely powerful puja conch collection in the world. It is called Gouri Puja Conch. This is a powerful puja conch in the world. Heavyweight, beautiful, powerful. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.